guys, and I decided to add a part 3 for like when I'm recording it today. So yeah, let's get into this church. We're gonna go fight Harley Quinn. Okay, so. You just want.
Let the lady go, Bat Freak. Or these
Oh,
people all get a bullet in their
you
head.
just let the bat go, huh?
I think you should do what he says. It would be a shame to get blood all over my nice new outfit.
It sucks, by the way, and it would be good for blood on it. So you'd be like laying and being wham. And how much did it cost? 1 cent?
He's really not up to a visit right now. He's not feeling himself. Well, actually, he was earlier, but that's not what I meant. He's not doing so good as that idiot doctor I sent to the attendant's house. I've seen more smart
Look
than
at
these
it.
photos. I've got a rough boy. If he says anything funny, kill him.
What do you want? Oh yeah, this is awesome. I love this part.
Attacking armed thugs head-on is suicide. I need to disappear. Pick them off silently, one by one. Don't you move, Batman. They don't know where I am.
Okay,
Good. Let's keep it that way. Time to survey the room. Plan out my tactics. 4 thugs, all armed. 2 hostages. This is gonna be easy. We need to get out of here. He's gonna get us. Batman, can you hear me? Try and get us or these people die. No, stop it. Man, I'm gonna die in here.
Okay, so that's the way you actually have to take them out. Okay,
That idiot thinks he's safe in the confessional. He's just made it easier for me to get in behind him. If I can get behind those 2 without being seen, I can take them both in one move.
yes.
See him? Where is he? Where is he? I can't see him. He could come from anywhere. Stay calm. Back. You'll be okay. He's got a hostage. I can glide to the scaffolding above him without being seen and take him down from there. Take that, man! Take that! You're safe. Stay quiet. He's got a hostage. I need to get behind him without being seen. The room is secure. You're safe now. Yo, Batman! Thanks for the help!
You have to go up to the bell tower.
What the hell made that woman come in here and do all this? Why kill us?
Quinn's only priority is to protect Joker. She's dangerous.
So I see. Well, thanks, Batman. It's funny. I figured people would be grateful to have us here. I guess I was wrong.
So yeah, let's head up to the bell tower. How do you get to the bell tower again? What's going on over here?
What happened to this prisoner?
He's not a prisoner. He's a doctor.
Was he attacked?
No. It's terrible, really. He transferred here, but I think it was too much for him. We didn't realize he was losing it. We should have noticed.
Noticed what?
He was stealing supplies. Anesthetics, mostly. He used them when he cut his own face off. I found him. He was sitting in the corner, laughing. His face was missing. I wrapped him up and sedated him. Who knows what's in that case he's holding on to? We couldn't pry it loose.
Yeah, I was hostage. Yeah.
We're only here to help these people.
Looks like a lot. So, yeah, this is mostly half the video, so we can call this video Bell Town for the most part. Okay. For like an active person, this might take like say like 50 minutes to do. Well, for an average person. And that's an easy mode. Easy mode. And if you add in the rock. Let's try to get up to that. So yeah, this. And now from here, we're going to go. Climb. Okay, so.
There's the gun.
Oh, yeah, talk so.
It looks like it's being controlled remotely by Joker.
I like this part.
Well, look who it is. I haven't seen you for... How long has it been? Let's see. There was an asylum, some monsters, and oh, that's right. You left me to die. You probably don't remember it that way, but who cares? You just need to worry about the bomb. Hurry up now. Clock's ticking.
Okay, that's the easiest part of this level.
Alfred, I've got a lock on the signal used to remotely control the sniper rifle. Joker's behind this.
Was there ever any doubt?
The radio signal should lead me right to it.
Good luck, sir.
Okay.
We should have been back here hours ago. I don't know. I know the rules.
Okay, so
Telling you guys, get
I
back
have
here before it gets
Arkham device again. So yeah, okay, right away. Oh, these guys. Oh yeah, you wanna go? Oh yeah, punch, punch, punch. Take you out. Okay, so we're years away, so yeah, I'm gonna have to go up there. How do you run? Yeah.
You sure about this? No. But what choice do we
How to
have?
run?
There's gotta be something else we can do. What?
What's this?
Augmented reality training offline.
No, I don't want to wait for it there.
Nothing big with you guys. I think they'll kill us if we go back there. You saw what
I
happened.
do not want to wait
You
for it.
freaking back!
Oh, that hug is scary, guys. Yeah, there is side missions